Most of Earth's gold is probably at the core. So this is a really cool idea. So thank you for highlighting this. So we think that when the Earth was forming, it was really young, about 4.5 billion years ago, the heat from formation would have caused the planet to melt, right? You've got all of this material coming in, smashing in, crushing in, and as they hit each other, all these parts, these planetesimals coming together, that probably would have melted the whole planet, right? So we know that when you have liquids, the heavier, denser material is going to sink down to the bottom, and the lighter, less dense material is going to stay at the top. Now, over time, the Earth has been cooling down, so it's not primarily liquid anymore. But a lot of that heavy stuff we think would have sunk down. So normally we talk about the core being made of iron, because that's going to be the most common of these heavy elements. But the other heavy elements, gold, silver, titanium, uranium, thorium, all of that stuff would have also sunk down to the bottom. So that's where we think a lot of it is. Now, actually, this is really important for the whole planet because many of these heavy elements are also radioactive. And so as these elements decay, they are giving off heat, keeping the core of the planet hot, in addition to other things like the immense gravity and leftover from formation and all of that stuff. But it may be giving off heat, which is part of what's causing the plates to be able to move around, for our continental drift, and for really our whole world to function. So it's very, very important. I should say, before I turn this off, that obviously not all of it sunk to the bottom, right? We still have iron up here on the surface. We still have uranium on the surface. We still have these other things, but the majority of it is going to be down there at the core.